Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today, how have you been? So for my previous video, I promised that I was going to make a facial oil using the oil that I made from the previous video that was infused with herb. And yes, today is a video of my facial oil recipe. If you're new to this channel, please do also hit the subscribe button down on your screen. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. So who remembers the oil that we made from our previous video? If you haven't watched this, you can go back and see how I infused 4 herbs into this oil and had a marvelous oil. The oil smells so natural, and trust me, this oil was everything in one. It had antibacterial properties, it had anti-inflammatory properties, it has anti-aging properties, and it was packed with lots of antioxidants. So I thought it best to use as a body oil and a facial oil, but today we're going to be making this facial oil first, and maybe later we can make a body oil if you request. So I want to make 100 grams of this oil, and I'm serving here 70 grams of this oil. And then afterwards I'm going to be adding AHA fruit acids. I'm going to be having 10 grams of AHA fruit acid, oil soluble. Recall that most AHA fruit acids are water soluble, but this is our oil soluble version of the AHA fruit acid. This is very important in this recipe because it's to be used in the face, and you know that ordinarily oils may want to clog pores on the face, which may cause breakouts, acne, pimples and the likes. So this oil will actually help to reduce such, and so it can be best used on the face. Another ingredient going into this oil is our tetrahydroxyl ascorbate, also known as oil soluble vitamin C. This is a more stable form of vitamin C, more than L-ascorbic acid. It is also a powerful antioxidant, and enzymes within the skin can change it quickly into pure vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to keep the skin firm and radiant. I also added few drops of astaxanthin oil. Astaxanthin oil is a powerful antioxidant and an anti-aging oil. I put it in a very little quantity because I do not want the color to ruin my formulation. I added, I think, about 0.2 grams of that oil. So I don't know if you saw that when I added it. So after that, I am adding my vitamin E oil to serve as an extra antioxidant for this oil. You know, the 2 other active ingredients we used are powerful antioxidants as well. Okay, so I'm adding some fragrance and essential oil into this. I used vanilla essential oil because I like the smell and it will help this. And then I also used lily fragrance, so I had both lily and vanilla, so it gave me a very sweet smell. I added it in a very little quantity because this to be used on the face, and too much fragrance won't be fine. So I'm also going to be adding some white mica powder, very little quantity, in fact 0.1 to 0.2 grams. Now this white mica will help to give that finishing glow on the skin. Yeah, the oil will actually help to give a glow look, but the mica powder will give that shiny glow look. So yeah, white mica, I don't have to use any other color because I don't want to change the color of the oil. So I just want to give the oil this shimmering kind of look, but in a very, very minimized way. So I think that enough. It's going to give me what I want, because if you add it too much, man, you're not going to like your oil. That's the truth. Now this oil is for dry skin, but if you have an oily skin but not acne prone, you can use it. But if you have an acne prone skin, I can advise you to use any kind of oil actually, except it's in a formulation. But plainly oil like this, I wouldn't advise. So if you've watched this video to this point, please kindly give me a thumb up and do well to hit the subscribe button. If you have not subscribed, turn your notification bell so you can always get our videos whenever I upload them, and always stay tuned to my channel. I really appreciate y'all. Okay, so I think my oil is ready. I kind of like the consistency, I like how the oil looks, and I definitely love how it smells. You can source your ingredients, everything I used here in this video, from us. I'll drop a link where you can reach us down there in the description box, so you can just chat us up if you will need any of them. And also, this oil is also for all skin complexions. If you want for a lighter complexions, you can go ahead to add some lightening actives to it as well. So I'm just going to transfer my oil into my serum bottles. Yeah, my serum bottles, I bought them, so I'll drop a link where I also got my serum bottles from. and I would hope that you patronize them, please. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always coming by, stopping by, liking my videos, subscribing to this channel, inviting your friends to come and watch. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And one good news here today is that our ebook on black soap, on African black soap, is out. And this ebook entails all you need to know about creating your own natural black soap and customizing them to whatever you want them to be. Okay, so it's an ebook, meaning that it's an electronic book. It will be sent to your email once you make a purchase. And so if you want to make a purchase, kindly send us a message down on Instagram or contact us on WhatsApp pending on when the ebook finally is placed on the website. Please let me know if you want to create this formula for yourself or for sales or whatever, and I want to get a feedback from you if you do so and if you use it as well. So thank you so much for stepping by once again. I really appreciate, and I really hope to see you in my next video. But for now, take care and bye.